Good morning. Today I'm back in Hagerstown, Maryland at Antique Crossroads. Let's go in and see what they got. I love the color on that Bakelite radio. That is fabulous. All right, well, this vendor, I should say, they have multiple booths. They always have such great stuff. This is actually the piece that I'm like, holy cow. Look at this Fenton vase. It's $98 and it's absolutely fantastic. I've never seen one that crazy. I'm kind of obsessed with it. I have one that's got like a really wild mouth. It's amethyst on the bottom. Actually got it at the Heart of Ohio. Oh man, I don't know. I'd have to put them side by side to figure out which one I like more. It's so pretty. I think that one's gonna be amethyst too at the base. 98 firm. It's really phenomenal. Hey, check this out. That's so cute. It says Bakelite. Why is this one $9 and the other one are $40? That's really curious. It's a cute little set though. All the Bakelite corn holders, those would be fun to repurpose. I know people make jewelry out of them. That little set is super fun. And this necklace, that's really not my style, but for some reason I'm super into it. I think it's because it's got kind of like a Lalique Sabino glass vibes on the pendant. And then here, the little Murano bracelet. Oh gosh, I love those. That one's at $35. A little close for me, although I could get away with it. The problem is I end up keeping a lot of that stuff. And then this little owl is interesting. That says Zuni Owl, Howard Lasarli, 45. Here's something else I have a weakness for. It's this vintage Dior pendant necklace. I've never seen that pendant on one. Yeah, it's got the CD in the back. Looks correct. Man, that's so pretty. 75 on that. That's a really good price. That little military dog postcard is so sweet. Looks like it's one of the mechanical ones. Oh my gosh, and look at the one with the soldiers. Au revoir and good luck. I love the graphic on that. This cat back here looks like Man Japan. $4.50. Is it gonna be? No, it's not. Made in China. Very similar look from afar though. Hey, look at this little mermaid mug. $4. That's too cute. It's got a seahorse and a mermaid. Well, for $4.50, I mean $4.50, I just made that up. I'm still waking up. $4, I'll definitely take that. This screams Joseph Original. There's no way it's not. I've never seen that before. $28. That seems like it's probably harder to find. 28 though, that's around what a lot of those go for. Some of them go for crazy money, but I feel like Kitsch has been kind of on a downward spiral, so I'm gonna leave it there for that price. This booth is completely revamped. Yep, the fuzzy ceramic elephant family, 18. Again, kind of where it needs to be. Wait a minute. Oh, books 50% off. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this little picture is. So kitschy. I don't think I've ever taken note about how good the prices are in this booth. Check that out, that teal flower brooch. That's at $3. And then there, the 3-piece set, $6. That one's got the ladybug on it, which makes it even more desirable. How much is the micro mosaic is missing some pieces. It's $35. Since it's over 10, it's also 30% off though. But I don't know if I can forgive it missing a couple pieces. Back here though, this is what really gets me going. I love the plastic daisy pin. That comes with the earrings and it's $10 for the set. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a key. Ooh, look at this one. Ice blue Northwood, 68. That's got a really pretty shape to it too. I think these little mystery Bakelite pieces are so neat. They're $15 each. Use your imagination on the description. That's so funny. And then down here, mid-century Tammy Keefe cat's handkerchief, $15 firm. That looks pretty fabulous. I might have to get a better look at that. Also noteworthy is this sterling and shell cat pin. That's at $14. But also look at this necklace. It's really interesting. It's glass. Tiger eye. That's so cool. Wonder if that glows. I don't have my black light on me actually. It's really fabulous. That's at $25. Well, here's a bargain. Check this out. What is it? Oh gosh, Roseboro. Is that what it is? Roseboro. The plastic Valentine's Day candy containers. $30 for the set, so $10 a piece. That's a really good deal. Valentine's Day is one of my favorite holiday. Well, it is my favorite holiday, and I tell you, it's getting harder and harder to find this stuff. Valentine's Day stuff usually goes pretty high just because of its scarcity. So I am gonna go ahead and get the key for that. Is that a tiny Tanala snail? Or it's a squirrel? $5. That thing's so weird looking. I can't even tell. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's so funny. This material usually doesn't do well for me, but look at this squirrel. I like his sleepy eyes. This case always has the best little miniatures. Oh my gosh, how fun is this turtle? I love his expression. $19 on that. That's about probably what I'd get for that after fees. It's got a little damage on the top of its shell too. So fun. One of my favorite booths here. Love all the swung glass and the fun daisy brooches, the metal enamel flowers. This Norcrest bluebird planter is kind of everything. It's $75 and 20% off, which for a collector is a steal. For me, it's a little close. There's still like a tiny bit of room, but I'm a little hesitant to buy in at that price. And I had gotten some Bakelite bangles from this booth before. I think I left that green set. I can't remember what the price was on it. I can't see, but this one with the bag, it's got two acrylic ones, but it's got this really awesome Bakelite spinach one. That one is $15, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab that bag. This ram is kind of unusual, isn't it? Ram figurine, $15. The bottom of that makes me a little nervous that it's newer than I want it to be though. Over here, look at these dogs. These are so fun. Bloodhound dogs, salt and pepper shakers. Interesting. $14 on those. Those are super fun. I love these booths that you have to kind of dig through. I see some Bakelite beads and buttons. Over here, the little acro agate. So cute. $4 each. Oh man, look at this tape measure. This is so fun, this Craftsman. I love the shape on that and the font. That's at $18. Gosh, it's so heavy. I used to have this fabulous, really old tape measure that was my grandfather's. It was made in France. It was like my favorite thing ever. It finally broke in like 10 places, and unfortunately it was its time to go. I always look for another. A lot of the like little vintage tape measures actually do pretty well, but at 18 there's not enough room. Oh my gosh. Stop it right now. $30, yeah. They're not wrong. How fabulous are these fuzzy ceramic Siamese cat salt and pepper shakers? Oh, they're so great. I'm sifting through the jewelry. I picked up these. It's a set of 4 for $6, and they may be Bakelite. They seem a little light, but I have a couple super lightweight Bakelites. I don't see any seams. So for $6, I think I'm gonna go home and bring these home and test them. Well, that was a bargain. I spent $76 there, and I decided, since I was in and out so quick, that I'd stop by Antique, I can't even remember what it's called, Memory Lane in Hagerstown. I haven't been here in a while, so let's go in and see what they got. A lot of Lefton ducks. looks like they're all at $14 each, which is about what I get for them after fees. This kangaroo mug is pretty fun. Looks like it is priceless. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Owl and bird, Mexico, Tinala. It's $20, it's 10% off, and I've never seen one quite like it. I'd be remiss if I didn't grab that. A whole lot of jewelry, mostly contemporary. But this one stands out to me, this vintage clamper. That's $5 and 30% off. I'll take that. This booth always has the most confusing process because it's 75% off and I can't do the math in my head. This little like snow globe diorama thing is so neat. I definitely don't want to ship that. I refuse to ship anything with liquid. Very sweet though. I've never seen one quite like that. All kinds of stuff. It's been a while since I've been here. What about this piece back here? It looks $24. Could live without that. This little Viking guy is so fun. What is he, a can opener? He is card Viking. I'm not sure. I think he's just what he is. Oh, look at this donkey planter. He's fantastic. $21. Can't do anything with that, but I love his expression and the matte finish. I'm a sucker for matte finish. The satin, I mean. Ooh, look what I see. Look at these cats. Salt and pepper shakers. How much are they? That's the question. $20. No discount. Dang, that's pretty close to what they go for. I'm gonna put them back there. Then I also see these like Tilso looking people. Oh gosh. Looks like it might just be a single shaker. It is. This is the aisle where I usually find most of my treasures. I love this picture. Unfortunately, it's super repaired. The cat, $21.50. I don't remember the prices being like that. $21.50 on the Fenton bird. That's very surprising on the cat. I think I'm gonna keep moving there. The perfume bottle is $28.50. That's really pretty. Okay, now we're talking about. Whoa, $18.50 each. Dang, that's a bummer. That's a really great set. I love the cats playing in a band, but $18.50 each, especially with them missing their whiskers. That's a little steep for sure. I feel like the prices used to be really, really underpriced in this booth, and it seems like they've kind of gone backwards on the cats, at least. Everything else seems reasonable. I'm like super into this little pig. Piggling surprise. That is so fun. What do we have here? Koala, $30. I think that's like a special edition Artisanio Rinconada. I'm such a sucker for this box. The graphic is everything. I wish the salt and pepper shakers were like turkey leg themed. Ah, oh my gosh. Look at this poodle. It's Italian. $3? Maybe it's not Italian. Maybe it's Japanese made to look Italian. Either way, why is it $3? Is it like cracked, chipped, and repaired? I don't understand. Yeah, that feels like Japan. That's Japanese. He is fantastic. Well, for $3, he is definitely coming with us. What a steal. Then down here, see the slag glass owl creamer. That's at $19. And look at this guy. He's fun. Little carved owl. Well, he's actually not that little. Look at this. This is neat too. Novelty mug. I wonder if that's like a Dorothy Kindle repurposed. Well, that was a super quick trip, but a really great deal. I spent $26 in there. So that concludes this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow.